So I was wondering, am I the only one who's dealing with this? With your HS, do you experience a lot of joint pain? So in my case, I was diagnosed with the autoimmune disease like in 2012. And a part of that disease is having a tremendous amount of joint pain. Well, for me, it's not just the joint pain that has me concerned. Recently, my doctor told me that the joint pain is from a type of arthritis called AS, or ankylosing spondylitis. I think I'm saying it right. But it starts primarily in the back. And in my case, I've had issues with back pain for a long time. I used to get RFA injections, which are radio frequency ablations, where they basically burn the nerves in your tailbone, your spine, near the facet joints or the sacroiliac joints. I'm going to mispronounce some words. But anyway, I had that for years, which the RFA procedures really helped. They helped me out a lot. I went from barely being able to pick my feet up to running a marathon. But the thing is, I just thought it was joint pain from the autoimmune disease I had, right? A few months ago, my rheumatologist, which I go to the VA hospital, the rheumatologist at the VA hospital told me that he believes that the joint pain is not from the autoimmune disease I was diagnosed with some years back. He said he believes that it's from that particular type of arthritis, which is AS, and it's primarily in my feet. The back pain isn't as bad as the foot pain. The foot pain is non-stop. Every single day I deal with foot pain. It doesn't matter if I wear sneakers, orthotics, I have custom orthotics, flip-flops, barefoot, bare room slippers. It does not matter. The foot pain never goes away. Well, he told me that with that type of inflammation, it attacks the tissues, ligaments, tendons, not just the joints. So he believes that my HS is from that inflammation, from that AS. Isn't that crazy? HS from AS. So I was wondering, how many of you have experiences with joint pain or another autoimmune disease that accompanies your HS? I tried taking Humira for my HS. I couldn't tolerate it. I talked about that briefly in another post, but I could not tolerate it. It was causing me a lot of gastro discomfort. I had a small procedure done to see if I had ulcers or anything. I just had to stop taking it. So months later, I tried to start back taking it, and the same exact thing happened again. So because I have issues with my pilonidal cyst, the rheumatologist didn't want to give me something that was too harsh for my immune system because of that. The pilonidal cyst, like this ongoing infection, right? So they gave me like a pill form of what I consider to be almost the same as Humira, based on the name. I can't pronounce that word. I'm not even going to try it, but it's the type of drug or the type of medication that Humira is something similar in a pill form. They think that it'll help with my arthritis pain. I'm wondering if it'll also help with the HS as well. So I'm going to do a little bit more research, but I was just curious to see if anybody else was dealing with either another autoimmune disease that accompanied their HS, or if you were dealing with a lot of joint pain. That's something I think we should all kind of talk about. Anyway, I'll talk to you later.